Welcome to FakeBay, an online auction site created by Rob Srbovic, Adam Becker, and Simon Grice for the Database Systems GCO6 coursework at UCL. We have hosted FakeBay on Microsoft Azure, and the site can be accessed at www.fakebay.azurewebsites.net. I am now going to run you through the various aspects of the website. When you first go to the website, as a new user, you would register by clicking the registration button. The registration button has fields of username, email, which needs to be re-entered. It does check to see whether it's the same confirmed email. First name, last name, and then again a double entry of the password to confirm that password has been entered properly. As I am a current user already and I've already registered, I'm just going to go into the login. My username and password has already been entered, so I click the submit button, which takes me to my personal homepage, Grice's homepage. I'm going to start. There are various options obviously on the main menu. I'm going to start by creating a new auction, i.e. selling a new item that I wish to sell on the FakeBay website. The item I wish to sell today is going to be my bathtub. Type in bathtub, and I can type in a description, a very nice bathtub. Choose a category for the item I wish to sell, in this case home and garden. A starting price for the item, £100, and a reserve price. Let's make it £150 reserve price. I don't want to sell my bathtub too cheaply. I'd like, now I enter in an end date. This is when you wish the auction to conclude. So let's say a week from now on the 25th. And an end time 12 noon. Now the final thing when you create a new auction is to add images of your item you're looking to sell. And you can select up to 5 images. I'm just going to place one here of my bathtub. And then click the create auction button. I can now look, you can browse items that are on the website. Under home and garden here, you can see my bathtub, which has come up. This is the item that I'm looking to sell. If there is a search function. So not only do you have all the items here in the categories and the number of items being sold on the site, nicely listed here, which you can click. Let's say we look at the art. These are all the art items. But there is a nice search up here. So let's say I'm interested in buying a Volvo. I can search for the Volvo, quick search, and I can find the Volvo here. There's also an advanced search. Let's go back to the home. Clicking on advanced search. Let's say I'm looking for a laptop. So again, a simple search almost within the advanced search there for the laptop. But the advanced search has lots of other categories. Let's say I'm looking for everything on the website which is under £100 current price. I could do search and you can see that all these items are £100 or less that are on the site. Going back to the main menu page, next thing I'm going to show you is the bid history. Or no, let's go and bid for an item. So let's look at that. Let's look at that laptop. Let's bid. What's the current bid? The current bid on that laptop is £120. Let's bid £140 for that. Place bid. You can now see the first bid on there was £120. Now I've bid £140. You can see that. Let's look at the book, the computing book. You can see the bid history here on that. Current high price is £60. Let's bid £70. Place bid. You can see £70 bid there. Also, I'm going to show you the watch item feature. I want to now watch this item. So therefore, when I go back to the main menu, I can look at my watch list. I can see that I'm watching now the computer book, along with many other items that are on the side. I can also, because I just bid on the computer book and on the laptop, I can look at my bid history, and I can see all of the items that I've actually bid on. And there is the laptop that I bid on, current price $140, and the computer book, current price £70, and I bid 60 for it before. So you can see all that kind of stuff. And when you go to that, click on that, you can also see more information of the view history, the number of times it's been viewed, various dates, and the complete bidding history of the item as well from the very beginning. Okay. I'm now going to show you. There's my watch list. No, I've already showed you that. Now I'm going to show you, these are my auctions. These are the things that I'm looking to sell. And this is the last one that I've loaded up, which is the bathtub, which you saw earlier. There is from the main menu, there is a ability to update the user account, personal details, so I can change my username, email address, and all other details and update it with the button at the bottom, if I wish to do so. Okay, finally, or not finally, but once you've bought an item or somebody else has bought an item from you and the transaction is completed, you would then, just as on eBay, you would then review the buyer and the seller. So if I click from the main menu on the reviews page, I can click if I have any reviews to do, and I do have a couple reviews to do. So I recently sold a coffee machine, so that's reviews of buyer. So I need to review the person who bought my coffee machine. So I can give them a rating out of 5. They quickly bought my coffee machine and paid for it very rapidly. This item quickly. So I can make a comment for that and save that, and that will put a review on that user's reviews. Finally, I recently bought a car, a G-Whiz car, for £10,000. Before I go to do that review, let me show you this. That I was previously looking to bid for a Lamborghini, but I got outbid, and you can see that was sent to my email. As soon as I got outbid on the Lamborghini, it was sent to my email, and it says, "Simon, you've been outbid on the Lamborghini." So these emails come through automatically. There are watch reminders when an auction closes. This is the Lamborghini that I was looking to buy, that it closes rapidly in the next 24 hours. It tells me when the auction is ended. In this case, this is my coffee machine, and it was sold. The coffee machine I sold for £150. So you get email reminders come through when various things happen. Okay, so I need to review the seller who sold me this car. So I can give them an overall rating on a sliding scale of 1 to 5. Whether the item was described as it was correctly on the website, how the communication was from the seller, and whether it was shipped promptly or not. And then I can leave a comment down here and click update. So now, if I look back on the reviews page, I can see reviews by me. These are the reviews I made of the seller. And then going back, and these are the reviews of me. And you can see here's my overall rating that people have given me, and this is the individual item that I sold and the rating given from it. Yeah. Finally, there's a log out feature. So as soon as when you're done with using the website, you log out, and that's it. And that is FakeBay. I hope you've enjoyed this introduction to our website.